Hang on head and just sing glory to the newborn King. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie in the building as always. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you one of the ways in which I make my indomie. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I've already prepped them. I'm using bell peppers, the red, green, yellow, then spring onion, my red onion, and 2 indomies, 2 eggs, and cheese. So over here is my boiled water. I'll just go ahead and add in the noodles and then allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. I've already turned off the gas. I'm not cooking it. I'll just allow it to soak in the hot water while I go ahead and prepare the rest of the ingredients. I breaked the eggs in a bowl, then added little quantities of the bell peppers and onion, and then mix everything together.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step, the clock is ticking.
So I went ahead and also added one of the Indomie spices and then mix everything up together.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
At this point, my indomie is soft enough, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead and sieve out the indomie and then pour it inside the mixed egg, mix everything up together, then added the remaining indomie spice and then added about 3 spoons of my shredded cheese. So I'll go ahead and pour in the remaining bell peppers and onions and then mix everything up properly.
And don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly up.
So over here is my frying pan. I'll add a little vegetable oil inside and then pour in the minced noodles inside. Please guys, if you've watched up to this point, don't forget to hit the like button for me and feel free to share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much. And compliments of the season, I wish you all a wonderful Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. So at this point, I'll just go ahead and cover it up and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. This is after 3 minutes. At this point, I'll just go ahead and sprinkle a little cheese on it. If you don't have cheese, you can as well prepare yours without cheese. Then cover it up and allow it to cook for additional 3 minutes and our noodle frittata is ready.
A broken glass while I'm thinking in my head. I mind my own, I don't even break a sweat. Oh, this madness is insane. Why you still live in vain? I'm not the one, you're the victim of your own mistakes. It's time to hit the lights under the street lights, under the street lights.
Okay, you see that? Can you see this delicious goodness? Feel free to try this recipe and thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. May the good Lord bless you all for all your support. Bye guys, and see you all in my next video. Bye.
Alright, alright, alright.